you guys, welcome back to Jay So-tastic. So what? I don't know, we'll be doing some upcycling and a little bit of sewing over here. But I just thought I'd share with you guys, I am cutting out the bag. No one left me a blue heart in the comments, so I guess I'm holding on to the bag unless you do it this time and send me your information via email. Then I will send the bag to you if you would like to have it. Yeah, with that said, y'all, let's get into this video while I cut out this bag that you could use for whatever reason you want to use it for. So I will probably upload the finished video on Friday along with more information on the blue jean dress and the other, I think the blue top. I need to share that as well. So all those will be in the video on Friday, but I'm just taking you through the process right now. So hang in there with your girl. Let's get it. I know it look a hot mess right now, y'all, but it is really not tight. I got on a shirt and a bra up under here. And I planned on wearing a tube top up under here. I got enough room to stretch, as you can see. So this is just the beginning, because I need to see, because this part right here, I want it to fray a little bit, just a little bit, but I don't want to lose the stitching. So, and I am stitching. See, I need to go up there, stitch that part. Okay, this is why I'm putting it on, to see how much stretch is giving me. Those ain't giving me that much stretch, these two right here. Okay, but then we get to the side, we get stretch, plus we got a little hole right there. Am I going to leave that there? I don't know. Now that I see where it's at, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, and then on this side, same thing. There's the back. It's going down the way I want it to go down in the back. But y'all see that again, because that's where I want it to kind of like fit. I don't want it to be pushing up no love handle. So if I feel like I need to add more to the strap, then I will add more to the strap. Even if it's just a little bit, then I may have like 2 buttons back here. So I think, you know, that might be a good plan to have just a little bit more stretch, because your girl got boobies. But this is what we're looking like so far. Hold on. Okay. Clean that hole up right there. I'm gonna finish this off. I want this to look like it's looking. So if it looks kind of crazy to y'all, but you know, we'll see when we see the finished product. So, okay. So that's how we looking. First row, done. Now I know what I need to do to clean up. Okay, and I probably will end up doing some reinforcements in certain areas. Do have stretch in this. I just want y'all to see it is stretch in here, but I got it on with the top and everything. So, see that? Do it this way. I don't know if you could really tell. All right, so we're gonna keep on working on it. Okay, you guys, I had to come back after I redid this part, and I added on because I'd rather have it loose than to have it super tight. I can't do nothing with it. So that's where it's sitting at now, and as you can see, it's nice and loose. Okay, it's not super tight. Matter of fact, I got a lot of room in there to wiggle with. And once I add on the other fabrics, that'll bring it in probably a little bit more. So just wanted y'all to see what I'm doing. It's cold here, and yeah, so I figured what a better day than this day to work on the blue jean dress. So yeah, and I wanted to come back and show y'all that I am serious about making it look presentable. I gotta finish this hole. I haven't sewed up this one, but I did sew up this one. Added on a little bit more. Added on this part right here. So I still wanted it to look cute, but I wanted to add on something. So, you know, hey, this is what we're working with now. Okay, y'all, it's late in the evening, and this is where I am now. It's about 9:30, so it ain't that late, but it's late. I got an 8 a.m. hearing in the morning. So, this is where we at right now. Whew. That's the side. Okay, right now I got it slanted a little bit. Okay, so that's how we looking. This is where the side is. Got a little air there. I don't know if I'm gonna leave that there. I might have to close that part up. Here's the back. Try to zoom it in so y'all can see it. So yeah, I'm liking it, y'all. I'm liking it. What y'all think? Yeah. It's coming along. It's gonna be cute. Ooh, could you imagine? It flares out. I don't think I'm gonna keep it straight. I think I want it to go on an angle. How I'm gonna do that, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all. We gonna see. I'm gonna make sure that you know, no boobage is showing. But yeah, this is what's going on. Don't mind the strings and stuff hanging everywhere. I'm just gonna get a little frayed when I wash it. When and if I ever get done. So yeah, got plenty of room in there now for the boobies. Plenty of stretch. I'm making sure that when I put the fabric in there, it's all stretching so that I have room in the dress and it's not super tight, but it's gonna be cute when I get it done. I'm hoping to have it done before I leave in April for Detroit. And that's at what? 18th of April. I hope to have this dress done. So yeah, it's gonna take me some time, y'all. It's March. It's the end of March. So with that said, I'm gonna sign off on this part of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming back. Thank you to the new subscribers. Are you guys excited? I know I am. Your girl is excited. All right, and I showed y'all my purse earlier. Like I said, I got it all cut out. Okay, and now that I'm down to this part, I don't know when or if I'm going to add these. Where I would add them? I don't know, y'all. Nope. Not going to work for me. I don't know. Maybe they're not for this dress. And yeah, I got 2 of them, but I don't even know if I want to add pockets. It's so cute. Now, I think I'm gonna wait till I get a little bit more fuller down here and see what's going on, because I don't want it to be too much. Just want a nice, simple patchwork blue jean dress. And right now, y'all looking at it and it look crazy, but it's gonna be cute when I get done. Okay, and when I dress it up, have my hair done, my shoes, I got some Michael Kors T-straps, sandals. They gonna be the bomb, and then I can wear them with a black, like some white dookies. So, I see y'all. I gotta go. It's time for me to go to bed. So, I'll see y'all in the next video, okay? Enjoy the rest of your week. It's Tuesday. So, I may see y'all Friday. We'll see. Keep your fingers crossed. J-So-tastic. So what? I don't know, but we doing some upcycling this week. All right, y'all? And a little bit of sewing with the bag. Okay? Okay. 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 Bye.